Buddy, welcome back to Plant Stuff. Wanted to give you guys an update on the free container garden and just reiterate what I said in my past video, that you guys should make your own soil. It's be better than any potting soil you buy in the stores, and doesn't cost you any money. So yeah, we planted these guys, I believe about 2 weeks ago. We're in sunny Western Canada, and spring's finally sprung, and got a bit more sun and a bit more warmth on our plants. So these little guys are doing well. We got mostly kale and a bit of spinach here. I'm going to give them all a trim. I'll show you guys that if I can do it with one hand. So what we do, we take our fancy garden scissors here, and you cut. Can you guys see that? Yes. So you want to cut, give it a few inches, especially when you're just trying this out. And what you do is you come by with scissors or a sharp knife, and you just kind of cut veggies like kale, lettuce, spinach, any sort of leafy green, pretty much. You just cut it down about an inch or two off of the surface from the soil, and then it just keeps growing back and keeps the leaves nice and young and tender is the trick, the idea behind that. And yeah, so what you want to do is you always want to leave at least 2 sets of leaves on most plants. It's kind of shady if you guys can see that. So I would leave the 2 small little adult leaves on there. If you want to be really careful, give it a haircut somewhere up there, and leave it a couple inches, and then you know to be safe. Yeah. Again, this is just old horse bedding. It's about 2 years old, and just had some compost worms in it, and the compost worms break it down. I really encourage you guys to do your own composting. Best way to do this, I just have little bucket worm gardens here because this is all I have at the moment, but really bathtubs are the go. You get a free bathtub off Facebook or somewhere, because there's always someone throwing one out. And then you just put a rat-proof cover on the top, and Bob's your auntie. And you just throw your veggie scraps in there with, some leaves, or wood chips, or paper, some kind of bedding. Shouldn't be all food scraps. Anyway, rambling a bit right now. But yeah, this didn't cost me any money, any of this, and I got a nice handful of greens for my lunch. So that's gonna be a nice treat, because yeah, the price of groceries right now, I tell you guys, especially in the Western world, what would they charge at the store here? Not outrageous. Probably pay $3 for these couple containers, but you know what I mean. Grow your own food, guys. It's the closest thing to printing money you can do. Anyway, hope you're having a great day. Smash like, subscribe.